Silent code and mathematical models now execute millions of high-speed trades, replacing the shouting matches and paper tickets of the past. Modern quants use these algorithms to turn market chaos into predictable, profitable systems. Mastering that environment offers a massive financial payoff. Entry-level quants frequently receive offers between $500,000 and $600,000 a year right out of college. Getting through the door requires surviving a grueling technical gauntlet. You will face high-pressure probability puzzles and algorithmic challenges that look like they were designed by alien mathematicians. You can bypass the guesswork of this process. By following a specific step-by-step preparation routine, you can build the skills necessary to pass these interviews. Unlike the rest of Wall Street, quant finance ignores your connections or your pedigree. It is a field that rewards those who can solve hard problems under pressure. Your first task is auditing baseline skills. You must master probability, machine learning models, data structures and algorithms, applied linear algebra, and multivariable calculus. You also need fluency in 2 specific languages. Python serves as your tool for building data pipelines and testing models, while C++ handles high-frequency trades where every microsecond of execution speed matters. Avoid wasting time on traditional finance studies, like fundamental analysis. Firms hire for mathematical and coding logic, and they will provide the necessary finance training on the job. While daily stock returns look random on a chart, a histogram reveals they smooth out into a normal distribution bell curve. You then use linear algebra to expand that curve into a multidimensional grid, calculating correlation and risk across an entire portfolio simultaneously. Mastering this data-driven stack provides the leverage you need to outpace the 70% of applicants who rely on market intuition. For high-pressure interview prep, the industry relies on a single open secret, a PDF titled A Practical Guide to Quantitative Finance Interviews, universally known as the Green Book. You should follow a strict protocol when studying it. Pick one problem and struggle with it for at least 20 minutes. Avoid the answer key entirely during this window to build your problem-solving endurance. Solve every problem using pen and paper. Physically writing out the logic forces you to slow down and helps your brain identify structural patterns you might miss when typing. Once you achieve accuracy, you must add pressure. Set a timer and limit yourself to 2 or 3 minutes per problem. This simulates the live interview environment, where you'll be required to solve rapid-fire probability puzzles and mental arithmetic on command. The Green Book protocol builds the exact mental muscle required to think clearly when standing in front of a whiteboard and the clock is ticking. For coding, your goal is to complete over 100 LeetCode problems across categories like arrays, graphs, and recursion over a period of a few weeks. Prioritize dynamic programming. These questions test your ability to break a messy problem into smaller, reusable parts. But avoid memorizing base solutions. A memorized answer will fail the moment an interviewer introduces a twist or changes a condition. Practice thinking out loud. Narrate your logic, identify edge cases as they arise, and admit any blind spots to your interviewer as you find them. Solving the problem in silence is a failure. Quant roles require you to demonstrate your problem-solving process alongside the code you write. Breaking in requires significant volume. Use a shotgun approach and apply to over 200 target trading firms. Start applying before you feel fully ready. The earlier you begin, the more you expand your surface area of luck. Treat your early failures, including those strange brain teasers about fitting elephants in planes, as live study sessions. While the shotgun strategy gets you through the door, a final round interview requires a sniper approach. At that stage, you must focus all your attention on that specific firm's technical requirements. Rejection is your most effective study tool. Bombing early rounds builds the real-world pattern recognition you need to pass the final interviews at elite firms. The complete routine involves 4 steps: audit your math stack, run the timed Green Book protocol, vocalize your LeetCode solutions, and shotgun your applications. Firms value candidates who are technically sound, highly coachable, and composed when the pressure spikes. Academics and mathematicians built this industry by replacing qualitative intuition with pure, verifiable mathematics. Relentless preparation allows you to manufacture your own luck. Set up your tracker, download the Green Book, and start your first 20-minute timed session today.